Hello guys, good evening guys. I want to share this recipe with you. I have all my ingredients here. I have 1 cup of fresh milk. I have 5 eggs. I have hell. This is called hell at my end, and this is called saffron at my end, and this is 2 cups of sugar, and this is 2.5 cup of milk powder, and that is my 3 cups of water there. So this is what you're going to do. Pour in first. I pour my sugar in, my fresh milk in, my eggs has to go in, my hell have to go in, and my saffron have to pour in, and my 3 cups of water is going in. So I'm going to start mixing now. Guys, you have to mix it. You have to mix it for 10 minutes. Okay, sorry for the sound guys. So in this case, your bowl and your baking tray is prepared here. You will not put it in the baking tray. You're gonna pour it in this bowl, and you're gonna cover it with foil. As you can see, there's something inside, the red. It's nice flavor. If you don't have it, you can use vanilla, syrup as the same thing. Okay, so you have to cover it with foil, and then you have to put in the baking tray hot water, and then you have to place it in your oven for 45 minutes or 1 hour in your oven. Okay, the name of this sweet is milk smoothie. So guys, this is my recipe for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, and expect more videos from me. Thank you guys. Bye.